Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Collab post feature. To use the TikTok Collab feature in 2026, you must invite another user to be a co-author of your post. Once they accept, the video will share on both of your profiles and share the same likes, comments, and view counts. Now to create a collab post, all you have to do is first of all create your video. Tap on this plus icon, and from here take a photo or even make a new TikTok. Or what you can do is tap on this upload button. From here you should be able to upload anything from your gallery. Now once you tap on this next button and then complete all your edits, head to this next button. From here you should be able to find another option called tag people or add collaboration. What you can do is tap on this more option. From here you should be able to find add collaboration or tag people button. However, it is not shown in mine, but it should be shown in yours. Now once you type in your captions, and what you can do is also mention them by tapping on this option and search for the nickname of your alias, and once you tap on that specific person, you should be able to post it. And all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this post button and your content will be posted with your co-author. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.